banana.
I never lose my appetite. I can eat
Sure
even
about
this. I'd eat a whole strawberry.
I always have food with me.
I don't understand why Mr.
I
Sully
even
put a
have
pen
this.
instead of a heart.
I want it, Haley.
And this.
I also
me
want
it.
it.
Give me it.
No,
Why do you have so much food though?
Why is it so nutritious?
I don't know.
Aha, you're all muted. So I'll have the chat open and I'll pay attention to questions that I
Aha,
see
I
in
did
the
it.
chat.
Hello.
I have unmuted myself. Hello there.
Still admitting a few people.
Oh, I want to sleep.
You had your chance.
Hi,
How
Jacob.
come I can still hear you?
Hi, Kevin. Is it Kevin?
Nah.
The leg on the bus goes step, 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 step,
Hey,
step.
don't unmute yourself.
Step. The leg.
If I mute you, make sure you don't unmute yourself. If you unmute yourself, dun dun dun. Ashley Kim is here. I wish I had that in the classroom. Mute all. Alrighty, so also if you have your hand up, do you hear echoes? Oh. I'm gonna turn this mic off, I think. I'm afraid to touch anything. It's gonna end up logging me out. Eileen. Can you guys hear me at all? Was there an echo? Perfect. Maybe I'll do it like that then. Can you hear me totally clearly? What are you playing with, Brandon? I can't hear you. You'll have to show me. Oh, that's what I thought you had. Cool. And you have the blue for the blood, representing blood coming, that's deoxygenated, coming back from the body, and the red is oxygenated, going out to the body. I don't want to use this one. Let's go for the mighty, mighty sword. So this is the bottom of the heart. That's how it sits. It's making weird, gross sounds while I cut it. Can you hear them? Like, this is why I could never stab somebody. Okay, there's no way this little knife would have done that. What's this? You can just type it in the message. See, is it close? Can you see it close enough? Do, do, do. So if the heart is sitting in your chest like this, what would that one be? It's a ventricle. It would be the right ventricle. If it's in your heart like this, I don't know if you can see that. And then this would be another ventricle. Where did my pen go? I'm just going to make sure this is what I think it is, because if it is, then this should go up to that vein, or actually it's the aorta. Oh, this side shows it better. So the it's funny because the atriums are really small. You can't hardly see them. The ventricles are huge. And then there's the valve strings. If anybody ever says you're pulling at my heartstrings, those are the heartstrings. And so here's where the blood would go from. They'd come in from the lungs, through the atrium, down through this valve that kind of got torn away when I cut it open, but here's part of it. And then the blood goes up through the aorta, and that goes to the body. Neato torpedo. I actually like this view better than cutting it. If I cut it this way, it's not going to look as good. This way is the best way. I'm actually getting used to this. Okay, I'm going to do this one now. Anybody grossed out? You should feel what it feels like when you're cutting through the heart. It's like you can see it, but you can't smell it, and you can't hear what it sounds like or feel what it feels like to cut through the heart. So you're missing like all of the other senses besides sight on this. That's why I have to explain to you what it feels like, because you wouldn't know otherwise. Aren't you glad? Your faces all look so kind of, you all have the same expression on your face. It worries me. Okay, heart number 2, the one that really looks like a strawberry. Some of these arteries and veins here. This is the aorta that we just saw in the other one. The auricles on these sheep heart, the atriums, they're really small. I mean, that's one of the biggest things you would notice if you were doing this heart dissection is you're like, where's the atria? I can't find them. They're so small and shrunken up is the thing. And this is another part of the aorta where blood would go to the body. Make sure I'm showing that okay. I'm gonna unmute you because it feels like something's missing from this whole thing if you're muted. I just might have to mute selected people. You know who I'm talking about. Yeah, Ryan's face was enthusiastic. Hey, don't be doing no LMAOs. Could you let everyone else in? Oh, is somebody waiting? Uh-oh, I didn't hear the bell. Sorry, Bari.
That is disgusting. I
Cynthia.
don't like this.
This is so cool.
That's really what you have to do.
Wait, Mr. Slim, you can't see the other one where like you're right next to the dissection.
Yeah.
Whoa.
But like you have to double tap on it in the speaker.
Oh, I get it. I get it. Oh, thanks. Makes so much more sense.
Chocolate. I want your chocolate now. Give me your
What?
chocolate.
Guys, eating.
Stop
eating.
That's gross.
How's your
Hi,
appetite?
hi,
And keep saying ew.
Guys, do not show your face. I fear that Evan will take a picture of us when we're making a weird face and turn it into a meme.
What?
And stop being.
Are you okay?
Predicted.
Don't make a weird face.
That actually might happen.
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna be Evan.
Jacob looks so relaxed right now.
You know what's really gonna happen?
Oh, they're working. They're supposed to be working right now. I'm on my Zoom.
What?
I'm on my Zoom.
I was listening to study
Step,
sequel now.
step, step,
I mean, I
The
was
heart
listening
dissection.
to the judge.
Got it.
on what I was reading.
So you're good, and then afterwards,
Okay,
why are
back
you
to
doing
our
your one
dissection.
at the table?
Because I don't know. I just want to do it.
kind of looks
So
like
if you
chicken.
just joined us, this is our number
Oh.
2.
Okay.
Ryan, is that horangi? Was that horangi?
So it's making weird noises, like the kind of noises you would hear if you were cutting through.
What was that yell?
Yes.
I have no idea. Oh, are you cutting it right now?
Yes.
Yep.
He's cutting a disgusting
Dissection.
sheep heart.
That's his cat.
Yes, it's my cat. It's
Oh, that's
cute, right?
sound.
Is it horangi or maki?
Horangi.
Paul,
Oh
stop.
my god, oh my god.
Cool.
Someone stop.
You
Who's doing that?
Paul's doing it. That's the Russian anthem. Paul.
Don't get muted if you're a for his dog now.
What's Paul doing?
Russian anthem.
What's
So,
Paul doing?
what's this right here?
That's the valve.
Oh,
Is that the valve?
This is
Stupid valve? The
here.
mitral valve?
This
Oh.
one you can see the ATM way better.
Oh.
Oh,
That's
so
cool.
Small.
So the
looks like
ATM
chicken.
is right here.
so cool.
The mitral
Chicken.
valve? Which valve?
And then the last part we really couldn't see the atrium too good, but this is the ventricle. And there's the little valve and the heart strings that make it open and close. So the blood comes from here to there. We're getting feedback, aren't we?
Feedback.
I just got the goosebumps.
Oh, I just splattered hearts on my bag.
It looks like chicken.
Feedback.
The nations of the world, brought to you by.
Nicole Warner.
Hey, mute yourself,
Paul.
whoever's doing
Actually,
that.
so you
Oh.
should talking you.
I don't want to mute everybody again, but if you're going to be like that, I'm going to.
It's Paul.
Okay. This is the right
Whoa.
or, ventricle. Ooh.
Feedback.
There's feedback.
Feedback.
Lag and echo ahoy.
Who did that?
Can you hear feedback anymore?
No.
I don't think so.
No.
Everybody show your faces. We must all look at it together.
No,
Ryan, that's weird. Don't say that
Yeah, Ryan.
ever again.
Yeah, that was
Cool, so
really
you can
weird.
see how little
Because we're
the
just not
atrium
interested
really
in
are.
science.
And then the blood would go from the
Looking at
atrium
faces.
down into the left, I mean the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, it goes to where?
Oh.
The lungs, right?
The
Right.
lungs.
Daddy. Can you close the
Whoa.
What's the name of the blood vessel that goes to the lungs?
That's deep.
Pulmonary
They're gonna be loud.
Yes, pulmonary. What?
They're gonna be loud.
Artery.
Artery. Arteries leave the heart. So one of the exceptions, all arteries have oxygen fresh blood except for the one that goes to the lungs. So the pulmonary artery is the only artery without good oxygen. So from here to the lungs, from the lungs to the left atrium, down into the left ventricle, and then up through the aorta to the body.
I am disgusted.
You have to do
Oh,
that.
stop! You have to do
This
that.
would make a great Christmas tree
That's so
ornament.
cool.
God, that is
That's so cool.
disgusting.
Everyone
Cool.
reaction has
Why is that off
fire.
eBay?
Dude, I'm taking screenshots.
Right, you're
Yeah, you
I'm
better.
taking screenshots.
Bastard.
I
Oh
wanna
my
like
God,
buy that off
bastard.
eBay.
Oh, I just got the goosebumps.
Okay, so can you see the view that I got right now? Shoot. Hold on.
Is this a way?
Crackly.
On a scale of 1 to 10, who would rate this 10?
Not me. Rate a negative 8. Oh, that's disgusting.
Let's see, can you take a screenshot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you put it closer then?
I'll do it gladly.
Do you know how to make this the main picture on your